At first sight or love after 5 business days?
No love at all.
My first option is money or happiness. You can't choose both.
Happiness. Happiness.
Happiness.
Happiness. Money doesn't really matter.
No money can buy you happiness.
पैसा तो आता रहेगा भाई, खुशी नहीं आती जल्दी.
पैसा हो तो खुशी खुद आ जाती है.
I agree with that.
Money.
Money. Money.
Money.
Money.
Money.
When you have money, that's when you get happiness.
yeah.
So rather choosing happiness, choose money.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
Okay, 9 to 5 or like I work from my bed.
Work from my bed.
Work from my bed.
Work from my bed.
Walk from my bed.
Work from my bed.
Work from my bed situation.
आपको 9 to 5 जॉब मैंडेटरीली करना जरूरी नहीं है. If you can get that productivity out in like 2 hours hardly, why work for 8 hours? Work smart, not hard.
Rich with no Wi-Fi or broke but fully connected?
Rich with no Wi-Fi. Rich with no Wi-Fi.
Rich with no
Wi-Fi.
Rich with no Wi-Fi.
Rich रहूंगी तो Wi-Fi भी आ जाएगा.
Rich with no Wi-Fi.
Rich with no Wi-Fi? Okay. Packing light or like packing the whole closet?
I'll buy new things from wherever I go na.
दोस्तों 220 IQ.
The whole closet, man.
The whole closet.
Closet.
The whole closet.
लड़कियों यार चाहिए closet.
I'm a girl.
Oh, girls will be girls.
Makeup, clothes, footwear,
Tops and mix and match and shorts and lingerie for every top and everything. Footwear अलग से. And then if it rains, you have to have another pair, an extra pair of everything.
Perfect. Outfit repeater or like a serial shopper?
Outfit repeater. Serial shopper. Outfit repeater. Serial shopper.
Mostly repeater.
Shopper.
I didn't like to repeat my outfit. But now I really want to repeat the ones that I look the best in.
Love at first sight or love after 5 business days?
No love at all.
Love at first sight.
First sight.
First sight. That's why we come to Warsaw.
Love at first sight because I like falling in love quite quickly and I get out of it quite quickly.
None of the above actually. None of the above. प्यार ही नहीं है मेरे अंदर.
मेरे अंदर ही
नहीं
बोल
है.
दिया नहीं है. Being ghosted or being the ghoster?
Being the one who ghosts.
Being the one who ghosts. Being the one who ghosts.
Being the one who ghosts.
की जिंदगी स्टार्ट से लेके अब तक यही चलती आ रही है.
Ghost करते आए हो आप? कितने लोगों को कर चुके हो ghost?
I don't mind being ghosted and I don't mind ghosting people.
Okay, and lastly, regular boring socks or fun interesting socks?
Fun, interesting song.
Fun, interesting songs.
Let's go. I have a pair of fun socks to give it to you all.
Whoa.
Yay!
This is so cute.
Yay!
Mine is
This
more
is a happy color.
interesting, you know.
This is actually fun and loving. It's funky.
These are super cool.
I can wear this to gym.
Loved it. Funky colors.
I love the color.
Ooh, nice.
It's fun.
How much would you rate it out of 10?
The conversation or the song?
People that have clearly chosen the fun, interesting socks. And if you also want to watch more such fun content, then do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.